Hey, finally got a scope cam. What do you say we go hunting? Okay, I got one about 75 yards. Got him. I'm still getting used to this mount for my GoPro. So hopefully it's not moving around too much for you guys. And I forgot my ear protection, so one down. Ooh. I got 162 yards. I think the coyotes like squirrels, don't you? I'm gonna go up on that hill and shoot down that way. Not before I try to hit that little guy right there on the cliff. 104 yards. That's a mean headshot. Ooh. Ooh. I got one about 89 yards on the side of the hill. He's dead. There's another one. Got that one too. All right, you guys, I got this new scope cam set up on my scope. I'm not sure if it's all focused and everything, so I apologize. But I'll get it dialed in a little bit more as time goes by. Let's get a few more shots in, shall we? This is why we take out the squirrels. Look how big this hole is. A cow could easily break its leg in there. Okay, I got one about 84 yards across this little valley right here. I mean, you can hit them, the bullets go right through them. They try to find their way back down the hole, but that guy, I think, is he's out. I've put about 300 to 400 rounds through this Bergara, and I'm starting to get a little bit of friction on the ejection of the shells, so I might have to clean it for the first time, that is. The pigs have been rooting. They can tear up a property in no time flat. Well, the battery just ran out on my GoPro, you guys, so it looks like I'm gonna have to get some backup batteries. But thanks for watching, and make sure to check out my other videos.